What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to for the hottest app updates. WhatsApp's cooking something big for iOS users, an enhanced chat privacy feature dropping soon. Sources got the scoop for us, and it's all about control, keeping your chats secure and your secrets safe. Let's dive into what's coming and why it's trending. So, what's this update? WhatsApp testing a feature that's like a privacy shield for your iPhone chats. Picture this. You send a spicy picture or a juicy rant. No more auto downloads to the gallery. That media stays locked in the app, safe from prying eyes. Plus, you can block exporting entire chat histories. No more, oops, my conversation's on someone's laptop. Users are hyped, saying, finally, my secrets stay mine. And it's all thanks to WhatsApp's ecosystem keeping things tight with built-in protections. Sources say it's optional. You can toggle it on and off, and boom, unauthorized sharing's toast. Forwarding's still cool for simplicity, but chat exports? Nope. Oh, and Meta AI, it's banned from those locked chats. Your talks stay human only. Why is this trending? It's control, baby. WhatsApp's already got end-to-end encryption, but this takes it up a notch. Sensitive stuff like your late-night rants or work gossip stays where it belongs, in the app. No gallery clutter, no random exports, just pure privacy vibes. Ex-users are like, iOS finally gets the VIP pass, and it's true. This isn't about stopping forwards, it's about keeping the big picture secure. Sources are betting on a future rollout, and with iPhone users craving that advanced messaging edge, it's a win for anyone who's all about that secure chat life. Think safer FaceTime rants with your bestie. Apple's ecosystem just got chattier. Here's the vibe. This hits iOS soon. Think summer 2025, and it's a game changer for privacy nerds. Your sensitive conversations locked down. Your iPhone, a fortress for chats with your crew. It's not out yet, but X is buzzing, and WhatsApp's promising an advanced experience that's still simple. For iOS users, it's like Apple and WhatsApp teamed up to say, your secrets, we got you. Get ready, your chats are about to level up. iPhone Squad, are you hyped for this privacy flex? Drop your thoughts in the comments.